Hey there, Playmo pals. Welcome back to another Playmo AF Playmobil unboxing and review. Today we are going to take a look at the My Figures series. This is the My Figures Life in the City figure set, sorry. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're taking a look at Playmobil set 71402. This is part of the My Figures series. This is the Life in the City collection of 5 clickies. As you can see here, they all have particular roles in society. The best part is that these all work kind of like your regular Playmobil mystery figures, because you can put these together and disassemble them any which way you want, because you've got all these parts here and you can mix and match them. Here in the front we have a maybe a woman that works at a cafe or a little cupcake store. We've got a letter carrier, a construction worker, which is really nice. We got a street sweeper. He obviously works for the city. He's cleaning up our streets and our sidewalks. And appearing from the back of the building here, we have a businesswoman. There are 58 pieces included here, including the cupcake, the tray, laptop, a suitcase, a bag with letters, a jackhammer, and a broom, and a cap. The front of the box also shows how you can mix and match all of the pieces to create customized figures. Looking at this one side, you have the small cropped version of the front image there and our perforated strip for easy access to the toys. The opposite side also shows a cropped version of the front image. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. The back of the box shows how you can make new and unique figures using several different combinations with all the different parts that are included. Remember to recycle, and toys are not for eating. Special shout out to MINISO at the Florida Mall for carrying Playmobil toys. But guys, that is enough for the box details. Let's go ahead, crack this thing open, and see what's inside. Right away we have a sheet of stickers. 2 of them are for the laptop, the rest are for the letters. The first bag has all of the accessories. The second bag has all of our clicky pieces. We also get this wonderful insert that gives you a little something to read. Also gives you the instructions as well as all the parts numbers for your ordering pleasure. Now I don't know about you guys, but I'm not planning on doing anything out of the ordinary with these. I'm probably just going to put them together the way they are presented in the front of the box. We got this really cool blue shirt for the construction worker. Here's the sports jacket or blazer for the businesswoman. And this kind of reminds me of Fred Jones from Scooby-Doo, except this has got a yellow scarf and some polka dots. A little neon madness here with looks like a tire print going up the shirt. This is for our street sweeper. Here it is, the top for the mail lady. Black is not what I would typically associate with a letter character, but this is a pretty nice outfit. Businesswoman all assembled. Do like the fact that she's got a black purse. This is really nice. I don't have any other solid colored purses as far as I know. I know I have a little white handheld one, but I like this fact that this is a nice regular plain black purse with a strap. It just reminds me a lot of the purses I've seen my wife, my mom, my daughters use, and various other people in my life. And it's just I just like the fact that it's true to life. And then I really dig the fact that this has the Playmobil face logo on the top of the laptop. It's kind of a cool little design. It's like kind of seeing like the Apple sign on a Mac. And I'm glad to have this hairstyle in a different color. And I don't know all the figures that I have with this hairstyle. Actually, this might be my first one. I just cannot remember at the time, or I just cannot remember at the moment. Here's our mail carrier on her glory here. We've got 4 letters, one that she has to hold, but the little satchel she comes with and wears over her shoulder can fit 3 of these. And I like what they did here, where they bundled them up, so it looks like there's multiple stacks of letters here. But she's always got to be holding one of these because you can't fit all 4 of them in here. But it's just a little strange that she's in all black. I would not have expected a postal carrier to be in all black. So I wonder if she's a particular, maybe courier or something. I don't know. But yeah, strange colors, but it's different, and that's why I like it. And here is our street sweeper, all decked out in the orange reflective gear with the neon yellow shirt here with the tire track pattern. I didn't notice until just recently the recycling icon there on the back of his jacket. And then I also noticed that he has this unique tattoo on his arm. Here we have it zoomed in just a little bit more. And I just can't tell what it is. If anybody can figure out what it is, that'd be great. Here's our little cupcake employee. Maybe she runs the shop. Maybe she's just out there in front of the store serving cupcake samples to the passers-by of her little town there. Very cute figure. I do like the colors that they used. I appreciate the blue jeans and nothing too wild, but I do also like the fact that the jeans have a ripped up look to them, as you can see there on the knees, and she's got that woven belt printed onto there as well. Very nice. I like what they did here. I do like the pink cheeks, the little rosy cheeks there. Kind of adds a little more character, a little more cuteness to this figure. I don't like the fact that the glasses, I don't know if you noticed it, but the glasses are slightly over to his left, our right, a little too much. So it kind of looks like, it kind of gives him the appearance that he is looking over to his right, with the position of the glasses where they are right now. But I know it was just a little minor error in the painting, but I do also dig the construction hat that he's wearing and how it's got the headphones or ear protectors on the outside here. And I also love the fact that it's not a separate piece. I get so tired of taking care of extra pieces, but yeah, so I guess we just turn the hands over to make it look like he is holding the jackhammer, and then there we go, and then we got it right there, and that is our construction worker. I really like this one. I don't know if this is my favorite one yet. I gotta see all these together to make that decision. Well, seeing all these guys together, I gotta say this is a very fun assortment of clickies. I'm not sure still which one I like, but I am kind of leaning towards the construction worker. I do kind of like the mail lady because it's such a different a different look. It's just not what I would have put together, the black and yellow. But it works for me. I don't know if it's just different and that's why I like it, but I don't know. I'm not sure how I really feel about it. But overall, I think this is a pretty cool set. So these would make pretty good display pieces, I think, for the collection on the shelf, especially the construction worker and maybe even the cupcake lady. Either way, that's it for this unboxing, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. Don't forget you can check us out on Instagram. Look us up at playmo.af. We got more on the way, guys, so stay tuned and we will see you again very soon. Until then, everyone have a great day. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.